25 days, 25 beautiful reflections, all from the latest encyclical of Pope Francis, Fratelli Tutti, prepared by Trinitarians to you to enrich your days in the season of Advent. Follow us, pray with us, and meditate with us. Have a beautiful season of Advent. God bless you.
It makes us uneasy since we have no time to waste on other people's problems. These are the symptoms of an unhealthy society, a society that seeks for prosperity but turns its back on suffering. My dear brothers and sisters, we all are preparing for Christmas, the coming of our Lord Jesus. Today, we live in a world where people pass by seeing the suffering of the other. Why? Because they seek for a single goal: my family, my home, no more than that. This is the concept of the world that we live in today. Pope Francis challenges us through his new encyclical Fratelli Tutti and provides us with a roadmap that how we can re-image our society in the time of COVID. More than ever looking for single goal but for a common good. How is it possible? It is only possible by loving and sparing our time with our needy brothers and sisters. The deepest meaning of love is self-giving, despite of our feeling and circumstances. This is how we measure our love towards the other. The life of Jesus is a great example. He lived a life not for himself but for the other. He showed his love by giving his life. Saint John de Mata, the founder of the order of the Most Holy Trinity and of the captives, known as Trinitarians, gave up all that he had in his life to live a life for the people who are needy and abandoned by the society, and whose feast is commemorated on 17th December. The Greek word for brothers and sisters etymologically meant from the same womb. We all are of same origin, from one father and from one mother earth. Let us be united in dignity, united in honor, and united in rights. Let this Advent be a time going out looking for men and women whose absence make us feel less whole and less wholesome. Let's bring them all together and embrace them as one human family of God's creation without looking for a single goal but for a common good. May the little child whom we contemplate in the manger in the cold of night watch over all the children in the world. God bless you.